episode after quite a long time. Actually, I was a little busy with some experiment that I did with injection molding. So basically, if you look around, you will see a lot of product made out of plastic. So I thought, is it possible for us to make some products using this technique called the injection molding? To create parts using this technique, so it's a long process, you need two things. The first one is you need to have a CAD tool to design the part that you need to manufacture. After creating that part, then you need to create the mold. So you can use the same CAD software to create the mold. Right? Then, so those things are digital. Now we need to bring them back to the physical world. So which means we need the physical mold. So normally in the industry, they use steel molds, but creating steel mold is quite difficult because the milling the steel material is quite complex, quite hard. It's a quite hard material. So normally in small manufacturing plant, they use aluminium molds. So I picked aluminium molds. So basically I have a small benchtop CNC machine. So I use my CNC machine with a little bit of modifications to mill the mold created. So once you have the mold, then we need to inject melted plastics into the mold. To do that, we need another machine that is called the injection molding machine. So there are two types of machines. The first one is benchtop injection molding, really tiny ones, small ones, benchtop injection molding machines, and also we have, like in the factories, we have bigger machines. Right now I have small benchtop injection molding machines. So I simply injected some melted plastic into the mold. Plastic, and once you inject plastic into the mold, then you can demold it. You can simply open up the mold and take the part out of the mold, as you can see. Actually, this is the part that I created using this technique called injection molding. It is a nice part. It's a nice part, but still I want to do some improvements. Especially I need to reduce the wall thickness. Now it is like 4 millimeters. I need to reduce into 2 millimeters, 2.5 millimeters, so that can save our plastic. Then I will add some colors to make it a little bit attractive. I will add some colors. Yeah, the point is this process is possible. You can create parts using injection molding technique. So right now we have like a lot of plastic products around, and these products are coming from all the way China or other countries. Why can't we make our own products at our home? It is possible. What you need is quite few machines. But if you are a designer, you will love to have these kind of machines with you at your workshop. So I have few of them. So instead of using 3D printers, now I'm using injection molding machines to create these kind of parts. Actually, this is another part that I created, the same process. Use CAD software to design the part, then after that use the same CAD software to make the mold, then milling the mold using the benchtop milling machine, then injection plastic. Actually, this is some parts of a toy. What you need to do is you need to insert this part into this small cavity, small hole. Then after that you need to use a rubber band to connect these two. Then after that you can just simply rotate it. I know you know the toy, so you just need a string in here. Once you pull the string, there's a blade which goes up at the ceiling. So that's a really old school toy that I was trying to design and make. Yeah, I will give you some updates of the overall process in my coming up videos, so please stay with me. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, consider subscribing it. So I'm Kamal Vasala, I'm a designer and also I'm an educator in the field of industrial design. So let's meet at another episode. Thank you.